Jumping over here to VScode to look at some of the code that is actually behind the app that we just saw. One of the more difficult things for me in this module was actually setting up the false environment. As you see, I have here in my terminal, we do have ngrok running. And then in making sure that this development, that matches, as well as in this .env. Looking at some of the actual component screens, this is the login. As you see, we're importing the logo right here and rendering it down below. Jumping over to the restaurant screen. From this screen, we are actually rendering those individual restaurants with their information in a restaurant card. To set up the image for those individual restaurants on their cards, this is the logic that I kind of used. There are lots of different ways, but this is the way that made sense to me. From this restaurant screen, once you then select that restaurant, you're then going to be directed to that order screen or menu screen. Same thing here. I do have all the menu items for every restaurant set the exact same with this default, but if we needed to change it, we could change it and add pictures here in different cases and scenarios for that styling. The order confirmation modal, this is going to show you the summary of what your order is before you hit that final confirm button. From here, looking over at the order history screen, again, this just generates the list of all the past orders for that customer ID that is currently logged in. And then when you click on that magnifying glass, this is that order history detail modal that pops up that shows the order status and the courier and the header, along with all of the other information for that order. That is my module 13. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.